We are often told that high intelligence makes life easier. But if you live with a high-performance mind, you know the truth. High IQ often makes the simple things excruciatingly difficult. Your brain is running a simulation right now that feels like laziness or stubbornness, but it is actually a compatibility error. Psychologists call this the complexity bias. While average brains are designed to execute tasks linearly, your brain is designed to optimize systems. This means you often fail at simple day-to-day tasks, not because you can't do them, but because your brain refuses to do them inefficiently. You aren't being difficult, you are suffering from a software mismatch. The first glitch is the optimization trap. Let's say you need to buy a toaster. An average brain goes to the store, buys one, and leaves. Your brain? It reads 50 reviews. It analyzes heating elements. It compares energy efficiency. You spend 4 hours of mental energy to find a product that is maybe 5% better. Psychologically, your brain prioritizes system perfection over task completion. You don't want to just do the thing, you want to solve the problem of the thing. And that leads to burnout on tasks that shouldn't matter. Second is logic-based insubordination. You have a physical inability to follow illogical authority. For most people, if a boss gives an order, they follow it because of the hierarchy. But for you, hierarchy doesn't exist. Only logic exists. If a rule doesn't make sense, your brain rejects it like a virus. You can't just play along. You feel a compulsive need to ask why or fix the error. You aren't being rebellious, you are just logic dependent. Third is the skip-step frustration. High IQ brains often process information via Gestalt, meaning you see the whole picture instantly. It's like math class. You know the answer is C, but when someone asks you to show your work, you freeze. You didn't take steps, you just saw the pattern. This makes teamwork exhausting. You're standing at the finish line, but you have to walk back to the start and invent steps you never took, just to help everyone else catch up. Fourth is social ritual intolerance. Average brains get a dopamine hit from small talk and pleasantries. It bonds the tribe. Your brain views these as inefficiencies. You understand the concept of politeness, but you struggle with the repetition of empty rituals. You often come across as cold, not because you don't care about people, but because your brain filters out data that lacks information density. You want the connection, but you hate the performance. Fifth is apophenia, or false pattern recognition. Your brain is so good at connecting dots that it sometimes connects dots that aren't there. You analyze a text message for subtext that doesn't exist, predict a worst-case scenario at work based on a single glance. You're playing 4D chess while everyone else is playing checkers, which means you often lose simply because you over-strategized a simple move. The fatigue you feel isn't physical, it's the cost of processing a high-resolution world. The solution: consciously dumb down your processes. Buy the good enough toaster. Follow the stupid rule just to save energy. Your brain is a supercomputer. Stop using it to run simple scripts. Your brain isn't broken, it's just powerful. To learn how to use it properly, subscribe to Mind Blueprint.